Hey everyone, welcome to your own YouTube channel where we bring in exclusive opportunities for your success in freelancing and corporate career. Today, we are here to showcase you with an exclusive opportunity that can help you learn and upskill your career using our Go Easy workshops, a priceless must-have skill to survive in this modern era of AI-paced environment. So, are you ready to catapult your career into the future? In today's fast-paced, AI-driven world, staying ahead isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Whether you're a freelancer aiming to skyrocket your productivity or a corporate professional eyeing that next big promotion, the secret lies in mastering the right tools. And guess what? Our exclusive exciting gateways to success are designed to empower everyone to skyrocket your success story. Picture this: automating mundane tasks, analyzing data like a wizard, and crafting stunning reports in mere minutes. Sounds like magic, doesn't it? Well, it's time to turn that magic into your everyday reality. Our workshops are meticulously designed to help you master AI tools and office productivity software, giving you the competitive edge you need to thrive in today's dynamic landscape. Curious about how these workshops can transform your career? Let's dive in and explore the incredible opportunities waiting for you. The AI Tools Workshop is your golden ticket. This 4-hour session is brimming with insights into AI-powered tools, automation, and productivity hacks. Imagine streamlining your tasks, saving countless hours, and focusing on what truly matters. All this for just 9 Indian rupees, approximately 11 cents in USD. Next up, the Office Master Workshops. Whether you're an Excel aficionado or a Power BI novice, these masterclasses are your gateway to becoming a pro. Excel Masterclass, priced at 99 Indian rupees or about $1.19 in USD, dive into advanced Excel techniques powered by AI to analyze data, create dynamic reports, and automate tasks like a pro. Power BI Masterclass, available for 9 Indian rupees or roughly 11 cents in USD. Master the art of data visualization and reporting with Power BI, transforming complex data into actionable insights. Calling all tech enthusiasts. The AI for Techies Workshop is your ultimate gateway to mastering Python with AI. This 30-day bootcamp includes a 3-hour live hands-on training session where you'll learn to write efficient code, automate tasks, and solve complex problems using Python and AI. By investing just a few hours in these workshops, you're not just learning new skills, you're investing in a brighter future. Whether it's landing that dream promotion, wowing clients, or simply working smarter, our workshops are designed to help you achieve your goals. Ready to take the leap? Don't wait. Enroll today in our premium workshops and start your journey towards your successful career. Remember, in a world driven by AI, the right skills are your greatest asset. Join the link in this video description to enroll today and be a part of our private WhatsApp community group of like-minded individuals, ready to dive in career-oriented success together. Take a step towards improving your lifestyle and career to the next level. Let's embrace the future together, one skill at a time. Milestone Freelancing with Jigna, empowering professionals with AI and productivity tools for a brighter future.